It is Saturday the 8th. Hello, Angel. We're joining birds for breakfast. We're joining them a little late because I just took video of an egg I candled. Suki and Wukong's most recently. Oh, hey, Layla. Hey, Angel. As of yesterday, Leela and Angel have become a couple. I'm proud of him. You want pettins? You want pettins? So petting him but not allowing him to tread me has worked with us. It just took a couple months. Hey. Ooh. Hey, Lucy. He tread Lucy yesterday. Dolly and Arco got help down yesterday and the day before, respectively. My good Lord. So this is actually really unusual. It's normally Dad that feeds the peeps once they're down from the nest box. It is not at all common for Mom to help feed grown peeps. MJ is the goodest mom. Hey, Blue. Forgive me for last night's vaccination. Thank you, buddy. Hey, Nobu. Hi, deal. Oh, here comes a patch. Elliot and Leonard tread yesterday, and it looks like they're going to reuse that nest box. They've still got peeps in this one. But they are chain layers. Egbert is by himself in the box. Oh. Well, she was over here. Ow, 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 ow. His sister Abby may have wandered off to another corner. There she is. Determined to get down. Hi, Blue. Hey, Riddle. The world's most patient MJ. Oh, hey. Hey, little peeps. Hey, Arco. Hey, Dolly. Arco and Dolly are still a little on the shy side. They're tractable. You can pick them up and pet them. Hi. Hi, whoever's on my head. I think that's a patch. Step up, Nobu. Yeah, thank you. Don't be on my camera hand, babe. Hi, MJ. Hi, Couture. Hi, Blue. Oh, can I pet that Blue? Why, thank you. Instead of reaching to touch them directly, I let them touch me to let me know that touching is okay. Now he's turning his head away, so he's not really interested in contact anymore. I think he's a little bit concerned about Alex and Leela being too... Oh, you want nursies now? You want nursies, Blue? Blue can have the nursies. Blue is never quite sure what he wants. Oh, you want those specific nursies. Those specific nursies. Okay, Blue. I know. This is basically the pigeon version of a pacifier. Couture, don't shove Blue. Hi. Do you want your turn for the nursies? Couture, do you want your turn for Nobu does. Nobu wants the nursies. Hi, Nobu. They know there's no food in here. This is just instinctively soothing because it feels like the corners of their parents' mouths. He can feed himself. Oh God, squeaker fights are hilarious. Baby, don't start none. There won't be none. Hey, Pitch. Big brother Pitch. Big, we're pretty sure he's a brother. I don't generally DNA the babies that I plan to keep. Hey, can I touch you? No? Oh, you just want to play with that. That's fine. Nobu wants the nurseys again. Hello, Nobu. I know. I love a boy. That boy wants the nurseys. Pretty sure he's a boy. Don't actually know for absolute certain. I think he's a boy. Not gonna know for absolute certain until he's about 4 or 5 months. Oh, I know. That'll be soon. He's just 10 weeks old. This coming week, they're all gonna be 11. Oh no. It's not after you. Not after you. There you go. See? Not scary. Hi, Commodore. No. No, ma'am. MJ bit my cheek because I looked at her. So she got shoved off my shoulder. No, boo, you want on my knee? Who's my buddy? Hey, Angel. Angel, you want me to pet you? No. Alex just tread Dodger again. Crap muffins. I don't know if I can take notes while I'm filming, and I will probably forget by the time filming is finished. Hey, Lucy. I have a Lucy hat. Ow, 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 ow. Nobu. Nobu, you cannot grip my skin, bud. Hey, Amiga. You gonna come join today? Oh. Blue wanted nurseys again. Pet that, Blue? It's just pets. No? We're done with pets? Okay. Hey, Angel. Hey, Angel. Hey, you rotten butt. Bye, buddy. Hey, Couture. Oh, you want the nurseys now. Okay. Couture's turn for nurseys. Hi, Riddle. Hi, Riddle. My lap is cozy space as far as Riddle is concerned. Which is genuinely what I try to make it. Oh, Couture. Oh, Couture, love me. Hi, Elliot. Hi, Leonard. They've already tried a couple 2 or 3 times and are looking to get back into that nest box and use it. Hey, gorgeous. Hey, gorgeous baby. My God, I think you're the prettiest thing I've ever thrown. Yeah. Hey, good news. The egg with their sibling in it is fertile. And that peep, oh. That was fucking rude. Just tackled Lucy off my head. Fantastic. Hey, Riddle. Hey, Angel. Hey, Angel's wife. We're going to try and do some harness work with Blue later today. We're actually going to try and do some harness work with all of the peeps. There are just a lot of peeps, and I have a lot of crap to do in a day. So I've had very, very limited time to actually work them. And fine young man. Oh, Fluffy. And come the 24th or 25th, Angel will officially join the breeding flock at 6 months old. We've already brought Vito in. Don't start squeaker fights. Don't start squeaker fights. They're also allowed to use the boxes. They're also allowed to use the boxes, Riddle. Oh, hey, Amiga. Oh, you made it. I'm sorry we missed filming your first little flight. Look at you go. What a peep. Now those two could fly from the word go. Like, I brought her down and she flew almost all the way back up to her nest box. Hi, Commodore. You want to be on an E? You do. Hi, Commodore. Hey, baby. Hey, baby girl. And that squeaking is Wes begging his dad to feed him. Well, I say his. I don't actually know the sex. We're still waiting for those results to get back. Their eggs grew mold on the way to iCubert. Decadent. Ginger legit bathing in food. Hi, Nettle. Oh, did you want attention? No? You're a weird bird, Nettle. Nettle and Nobu have a rivalry going. I think they're both little cockbirds, but I don't actually know for sure. Like, they're best friends, but best friends for male birds is also bastard rival. He is still bathing in the food. Oh, happy flutters. What a boy. Oh my goodness. What a boy that Ginger. So we know that Commodore is a hen because she's sex-linked. Her blue dad on her red mom is going to produce red boys and blue girls every single time. Oh my goodness. A hoss appears. Would y'all quit fighting over who gets to sit on my head? Hi, Angel. Angel is the king. Hoss may be considering an E. This is Leon's only successful kid, and he's very nervous. He wants to get in my lap, but there's all these other birds, and they're scary. Are you arguing with Nobu? Bless you, silly birds. No. looks like the birds are starting to wind down for their post-breakfast nap, so there will only be one. There won't be another half of this episode. What had I been saying when Ginger started bathing in food? Oh! That, Wes and Riddle's eggshells grew mold on the way to IQ bird testing. I apparently did not let them dry long enough. But their test results came back as test again. Ow, ow, ow. And not applicable, respectively. Like, Ginger applies to Riddle, we just have to test them again. It does not apply to Wes. IQ, as a courtesy, allowed me the opportunity to retest them. They got those samples about 4 days ago. I wonder if his eyeball is itching him. Did you get dust in your eyeball? Hi, Dio. Hey, my precious baby girl. Oh, I'm sorry. I did not mean to startle a Dio. Can I touch that girly? I can touch that girly? Pet that girly? Okay. I did not ask her permission respectfully enough a second ago. The wild lost managed to make it onto my toes. Hey, buddy. You made it. Try not to focus on Haas too long. It makes him nervous. Oh, boo. Do not chase Haas. I do love their courtship dance. It's very funny. That little over-the-shoulder preen is his show-off preen. Little chest bumping he's doing is to tell her he wants to tread. Don't you be a bastard. You assholes. Farthing's like, nobody gets to crouch without me being involved in it somehow. Now these birds are both cocks. Cherub is doing the same gentle little chest bump to Farthing to let Farthing know that Cherub would like to tread him. Farthing's the town bicycle. He'll probably let him in a second. I know, Farthing. I see you. Oh. Decided we're not doing that, huh? Okay. Angel is circling Leela and trying to get her attention. Of course, Farthing is also trying to get Leela's attention. Cherub has immediately returned to farthing. Hi, Commodore. Welcome back. And the phone cuts off video at 21 minutes and some change, so we'll go ahead and do the outro. In addition to our subscribers here on YouTube, our hello. Why are you even interested in that? Neither one of those are your husband. I was just chasing them because that's what cocks do, I guess. Oh, Lord. Sorry, let's try that again. In addition to my clients, adopters, and apprentices in small-scale companion breeding and rescue work, I'd like to thank my subscribers here on YouTube, the friends of our business page on Facebook, our followers on MeWe, Tumblr, Twitter, and Instagram for your contributions, both financial and intellectual. Good Lord, look at you go. I will see you guys maybe next week. Maybe next week.